You are going to love the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, clock, audio, internet radio, Pandora, power brakes, compass, trip computer, child safety locks. Come take a test drive today.